fellow travelers, Todd, Michelle, Wendy, and Dwayne back here, fellow travelers. And we are heading right back here to the Boathouse because we're having brunch here today. It's been a long time since me and Michelle's had a brunch, and they've never been here before.
Yeah,
so we're going to go see some of the new brunch items and have a great conversation with fellow travelers. They're from Michigan, and find out all about their vacation while they've been down here. By the way, they love Lazy Dog. So come along.
How could you not?
I know. So come along and let's see what Boathouse has to offer us today. And away they go. By the way, this is the main entrance to the boathouse right here. But over to the right is their boutique, but it also leads you into the restaurant. So that's an easy way to exit sometimes at night. And their claim to fame for their drink is the Lucky Duck right there. It actually comes with a little yellow duck and it's blue. It is I've never had the drink. Maybe one day I should try it. And since we are here for brunch, let's take a look at the menu real quick. This is the menu outside. Shrimp and grits might be, I don't know, but I know Biscoff cookie waffles. That's a fat kid's dream right there. I might have to get that. Just a quick little note, and I know you probably can't hear me very well, but they have a bar inside that is first come, first served, and they serve the complete menu. Okay, travelers, we have made it to our table, and we got a great waterside table. We are actually sitting outside here. Wendy and Dwayne are staying right over here in this blue building, but by the time you see this video, they'll be gone. So no, don't point out the room. They're right over here. Like I said, they're here on their vacation, and they went to Hollywood.
We went to
MGM.
No, the Horror Nights.
Yes.
Halloween Horror Nights. Good God. I'm telling you, it really stinks getting old.
And Mickey's not so scary.
Congratulations again, because they just said they're almost at their
31st
anniversary.
31st anniversary, getting pretty close.
There you go.
So I want to hear about their experience at Halloween Horror Nights compared to our rainy day experience at Halloween Horror Nights.
Short and expensive. That's how I sum it up.
Yeah, that was true. We did go with the brunch menu today, and we actually got an appetizer for the table. The Biscoff cookie waffles, and like I said, that's a fat kid's dream. So we cannot wait to give those. I'm a fat kid. I can say that. I'm allowed. But then Wendy got steak and eggs.
Yes.
Right?
She did.
Steak and eggs.
I'm gonna be envious. I didn't get that today.
Dwayne got the avocado toast. Michelle got
Sounds
the
delicious.
steak and fries. She went
No,
off.
I got the chicken
Oh, that's
biscuit
right.
gravy.
She was going steak and fries. Good. I'm glad everybody else
I'm in the
remembers.
mood for a toast and the eggs this week.
Okay.
It's
The
actually
chicken and
apple.
biscuit gravy is what Michelle got. And I went with the chorizo breakfast tacos. Don't know what I'm thinking, but we're going to give those a try. Of course, we got the bread. May I have the bread? They're wonderful, and they soak it in stuff that's all on top there. See it all? It's all pulled up right there. So we're going to give these a try. We're going to break bread together. I like that saying. And just have a great time here at the Boathouse. Okay, so our appetizer has arrived. The Biscoff waffles right here. If you've ever,
what's on the airplane?
that's it right. If you've ever been on an airplane,
Sorry.
this is it right here. So we're going to try this, and of course the complimentary rolls right there, which are all you care to dine. So you can keep eating rolls.
What is
But we
the
got
sauce,
this to
did you
chef.
notice? That has
Wait.
to be a berry compote. I don't know what that is.
That's
Like a brown sugar
Biscoff
something?
syrup.
Here, yeah, Biscoff syrup. Yeah,
Cookie butter syrup, crushed cookies, mixed berry compote.
there we go.
All right.
I'm not into the mixed berry compote. If it was strawberry, maybe. Michelle's trying to take on my menus.
I'm gonna
There you go.
put I'm not even saying it. I'm gonna put a jar of jelly in with you when you pass, just so you have it the whole rest of eternity.
That's a great idea.
I mean, grape. I'm gonna put grape in there.
But you know I want to be cremated and put it into Bay Lake.
don't say
that's
that
fine.
out loud.
I know.
That's not legal.
Don't tell anybody, guys. And yes, if everybody knows, and you've eaten with us before out there, fellow travelers, we like to share everything, so we are not bashful to.
Well, not everything, but
Yeah.
don't
Oh, what? Like your steak?
yes.
Yeah.
Don't touch my
By the
steak
way,
plate.
she did verify what the steak price was today on the menu before ordering her.
That's why I got the chicken and gravy.
Yeah. So we're going to give this a try. Okay. So we have a slight allergy at the table. So they actually bring a manager over to make sure what your allergy restrictions are and all that stuff. And we didn't have an allergy problem with the waffles, but they do put the little tag right there so everybody knows that there is an allergy at the table. So that is very nice to know.
You have your allergy
that
too, but you just keep it hidden.
my pineapple, that's fresh pineapple. We all know
You know how to
that.
handle that.
Yeah, we know how to handle that one. Okay, let me get.
Look.
Ooh, that looks good. Thank you. Did you make this for me?
Sure.
No, she didn't. She just had like
On camera, I did.
Yeah. Everybody else is eating. I'm talking to you guys. I'll be right back. Okay, here we go. First bite. Cheers, honey.
Cheers. Oh my gosh.
Of course, syrup going everywhere. You know me. Everybody enjoying it so far? Because I'm getting ready to test. Cannot wait. Look at it. It's oozy goozy.
Definitely different.
And that's in a good way.
The waffles crumbly, crispy.
Yeah, nice and crunchy, fluffy on the inside. The whipped cream that was on the
I love the
on the
syrup.
plate. I didn't get any berries, but everybody else.
No, I didn't.
And when he didn't either.
Yeah, they're good. They're tart,
They're good?
sweet.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Very good. This was a nice way to try this dish without having to order the dish and commit to it. So, if you're here with a group, it's a little breakfast appetizer.
Breakfast dessert.
Breakfast dessert. That's the
I'm
same
more
appetizer.
savory. I have to have the meat, so I
I
wouldn't
know.
order that as an entree, but it's good as an
Yeah.
appetizer.
Okay. That's why I ordered it for an appetizer.
Very good. Contribute to my sweetness.
You're already so sweet. Contributing to my diabetes, maybe, but you know. Okay, the entrees have arrived, and we'll start with mine. The fish tacos and chips right there. They look fantastic. Cannot wait to give these a try. Michelle got the chicken and biscuits right there with the egg, nicely cooked.
Side of toast.
A side of toast.
Do not forget my grape jelly.
Grape jelly. By the way, Boathouse is only team grape here. Only team grape. And then Dwayne right here got the avocado toast,
That looks delicious.
which there's some avocado, I'm sure, somewhere underneath that.
can see it.
But that looks
Yeah.
fantastic. And Wendy got the steak and eggs with potatoes right there. Michelle was thinking about that, but I'm glad she got it. So now we got a representation of pretty much the whole brunch menu. But look at that. That looks really good.
Not really good or really bad.
Okay, we're going to try Michelle's first. Right there? Okay.
I have to direct him to it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Get a little sauce right there.
Sorry about my hair, but you can tell it's Saturday.
It's windy. It's a great day. My hair's blending in with the clouds. Michelle actually understands my bites now. I'm pretty proud. Oh, she's doing hers on toast. Okay.
About having
Cheers.
everything in one.
Cheers, honey. And cheers once again to you guys.
Yes, thank you
I
so
want to
much
thank them for
including
inviting
on
us
your
today.
vacation. Delicious way to.
I have not had any of these brunch items. Cheers. Here we go. What kind of gravy is that?
Told you I don't know.
That's pretty good.
I don't know.
I think they said a
Like a
Creole
chorizo
gravy.
kind of something or
A Creole.
One day
spicy.
I will look at a menu and remember it for you guys. But today's not that day. Sorry. It happens. But it's really good.
Like a spiced up chicken gravy.
Yeah,
Like it
does.
definitely has some Creole seasoning, almost like I don't want to say seafood.
How about Old Bay?
Yeah.
An Old Bay, yeah.
It's a
Look
little
at,
spicy in the back, but it's good.
do you want to try a taco before you take a next bite?
What's on that again?
Eggs,
No
chorizo,
fish, right?
no fish.
Yeah, I'll try it.
Okay.
Why not?
I'm just giving you a
Is that
whole.
the same kind of sauce? What is that?
That's the sauce for my chips. Like a,
Oh, okay.
Yeah. There you go. I gave her a whole taco. Make it easier. Anybody else like a taco? Okay.
I'm gonna bite this
I'm
one.
gonna show you the inside.
Oh no!
How does that happen? She just tipped her. Look at this. That is her taco right there.
Cause look at it.
How does it fall out of your hands like that? Can't take her anywhere.
Oh no.
And now it's all over her chicken.
Oh
We'll be right back. Hold on. They're bringing Michelle some more napkins.
no. We're gonna draw
We're
me
gonna
a
roll with the punches.
Look.
Once again, she's got it.
I'm gonna get
She's
eaten
got.
by
Oh,
a
here
bird.
we go. Leslie's bringing us some napkins over. Thank goodness. We could just throw her in the lake behind us and let her wash herself off. Oh, thank you, Leslie. There you go. There we go.
We're
That's
going to make it so she
perfect.
can enjoy every single bite of this taco because it's going to be amazing.
Oh my gosh. Cheers, honey. Here we go.
There you go. The best part is you don't have to worry about it falling down your shirts. Don't worry, everybody doing it over here.
Not a huge avocado fan, as you guys know, but this is pretty good on this taco.
Nothing like chorizo.
But it is messy because of the chorizo sausage. It's nice and greasy. Michelle threw hers back at me.
There, going over.
Okay, we're gonna let her clean herself up, so we'll come right back. Dessert came right here. They brought 2 spoons, but Michelle said she really doesn't want any. But I bet she takes a bite of it. But now you know what time it is. It is thumbnail time, so her favorite time of the meal. So let's take a thumbnail. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Well, you got to tilt it down a little bit. There we go.
Oh, I can't see the screen. Bring it closer. Why is everything so far
Because I focused in.
away? Closer.
No, that's good right there. That's kind of tilt. There we go. Lower that. There you go. Ready?
Don't tell me how to do things.
This is all the time. I like making her hang on until we take a time. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Don't. Now I won't eat it. Your breath is on it. Take a pretty picture.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Okay, good. Now everybody's staring.
I know. I love when the other people stare at us from around the table.
Do that on purpose.
And then we have travelers that want to
Okay,
join
just
us to
take
do
a bite.
this.
Take a
Okay.
bite. You guys want a bite?
Come on.
Before you contaminate the whole thing?
Wendy won't
She
take
needs
it.
a spoon.
I know,
Do
she
you have
won't
a
get a
fork?
spoon.
Do you have anything?
No.
Nope. I'm good.
Wendy, well, she okay. She doesn't want to try any.
Wait, she needs a spoon. We have to
Okay,
all
we
try.
gotta wait. We'll be right back.
Wait, don't do that.
I got Leslie. One more.
You gotta give it to me.
I waved her down.
See, girl power. I had it.
I waved her down. She looked over here because I waved her.
No, she didn't.
Oh my god.
We were already
Oh my
conversing
god.
with sign language.
She's like, I don't know how she puts up with him.
Who?
Leslie's. I'm wondering how you put up
I know,
with me.
she can't wait for us to go eat.
I know. Oh, that's all been recorded too. That's great. I can leave that in there. But anywho, just to let y'all know, Dwayne over there also got dessert. Hold on one second.
Looking at it makes
He
my-
got the key lime pie, which is really good. We've had that in a jar. Okay, we got one more spoon now. Okay, here we go. Cheers, everybody. We're going to do cheers. Cheers right there for all the spoons. Let's give this a try. Can't wait. I believe that's the same biscuit they use for the chicken and biscuit.
Wow, that's a tart strawberry.
Yes, but that is good. Not overly sweet. What do you guys think?
It's very much the same. Not overly
Very-
sweet, very good.
Yeah.
Indulge. It's very decadent.
And Leslie was nice enough. I asked for extra whipped cream.
Because, you know, normal
I
is
needed
not
it.
enough.
Yeah, normal's not enough. Let's take it one
Strawberries
more
are
notch. One more
So
notch.
see, I had grape and strawberry today.
There you go. That's what I like to hear.
I like them both equally.
Okay.
Well, no, I don't. I like grape better, but I like them both.
See? Still can't believe Boathouse is team grape.
Do you know how hard it is, by the way, to find grape flavor?
Apparently in Europe, over in England, they don't have grape jelly. We found that out, which still baffles me. There's a little
I've
tad
never had a
tip.
peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
If you're
without
going
grape
across the
jelly.
pond, take your own grape jelly. Especially her. When we go.
We're going to have a whole big old pack.
Yeah.
There we go.
Okay. So we're going to finish this meal. We had a great time with Dwayne and Wendy.
Again for
It was a fantastic time.
You
He's
guys
just
have
also
to be ready to spend time with us because we'll keep you like 2 or 3
yeah.
hours. So
We're we are
They're
long
like
meal
itching to
makers.
go, and
No,
we're
no.
just like ordering
This is the
dessert.
best part. This is really the best part because we get to take our time. We got a table next to us, a bunch of rowdy people over there. I would show you, but I think they're all about my age, so that's pretty cool. So we are going to enjoy
But it's
the.
all about you guys.
Yeah.
Even though we're sitting here eating dessert in front of you.
And speaking of which, we have a birthday. We were going to do a birthday shout out. Justine, we heard it is your birthday on October 31st, so we wanted to wish you a happy birthday. Your family reached out to us to let us know it was your birthday this coming Halloween, which is a pretty cool day to have. I mean, you can never forget it. It's on Halloween. I could even remember it, so that's good. So, happy birthday, Justine. We hope you have a great day on Halloween.
Happy birthday.
We
This
will
bite's for
continue.
you. Happy birthday.
That is a tiny bite.
No, I didn't want any to begin with. But
Okay.
You're forcing my hand.
Dwayne over there eating that key lime pie like there's no tomorrow. He said he's going to go back on a diet when he gets back to Michigan. Yes. We'll see how that goes.
You're on one right now, sir, and look what's in your
Yeah,
spoon.
you see what kind of, I'm on a seafood diet. If I see it, I eat it. Okay, guys, thanks for traveling along with us. And like we always say, until next time, travel and adventure is out there.